So do you want to repurpose your long-form content into shorts in an instant? Or maybe you want to create some weird abstract creative videos from scratch? Well, that's already possible with AI video tools that are currently out there. There are so many AI image generators, and the next question we need to ask ourselves is, where's the video going? Well, with the explosion of shorts all over the internet, from Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, we definitely know that the video is the main medium to stay for content. And so with that, it's only expected that AI tools for video editing or creation are going to be the next big thing. So while there are many video tools to choose from, I'll limit to just 5 to keep it simple. I'm not sponsored by any of these, I just want to share some of the gold that is out there. But if you enjoy that, make sure to like this channel or like this video so that it can continue helping us out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to continue learning the building blocks for the age of AI. So first tool on the list is Vidyo.ai. It's an AI tool for video editing that helps repurpose your content into shorts. We all know that content repurposing is something for your content strategy. Now, whether it's creating shorts for Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, Vidyo does it all quite quickly. It's as easy as uploading a video via URL or uploading it directly in, and then within a few minutes, it breaks down any long-form content into shorts that you require minimal revisions on. This is great for people that are strapped for cash or time, since it's quite affordable as well. And some of the key features that it has is just repurposing your content with just an insert of a link, so you can just copy and paste your YouTube video. And you can edit your videos after they've been repurposed, which is quite great because you don't need to depend on their output only. Then next on the list is an OpusClip. It's an AI tool for video editing, particularly for repurposing as well. Of course, sometimes multiple shorts can be overwhelming, and especially if you're running on a deadline, right? So tools like Vidyo or OpusClip are an awesome AI tool for video editors to create shorts quite quickly from idea to upload, right? So OpusClips allows you to optimize your videos in the right format, and regardless of the skill level, you can edit your videos to be on par with professional shorts. One of the key features that OpusClip actually offers is that it actually gives you this virality score, so it tells you which shorts could actually do well, and also packs all of your content into short clips ready to be uploaded in whatever format. You can also add automatically styled subtitles to make your video shorts pop, and you can also control the amount of time you want to repurpose each short to be. And then there's Descript. Rated with 9.3 out of 10 on Trust Radius and 4.4 on Product Hunt, Descript is a great tool which leverages transcript editing versus just like the traditional timeline. So this tool is really straightforward. You just upload a video and then the transcript is created, and then thereafter you just simply edit the video by editing the said transcription. So you don't need to like spend so much time just kind of going through the timeline. You just cut out any words that you don't like and the video will be edited by itself. So this is really useful for podcasting, screen recordings, and things like that. So the key features is that, once again, it transcribes your video to text, and then you can edit your video through those texts. You can also create AI voices in a matter of seconds. While I don't think the quality of those voices are super great, but it still has the option. You can enhance the audio quality with the Studio Sound feature, which I think is a very useful tool. You can also add screen backgrounds if you remove a current background and place the subject of the video anywhere with a few clicks. And they also have this whole library of stock images, videos, GIFs that you can pull from, so you don't need to kind of hop off onto a third-party platform. And while it isn't the most accurate, they also have a AI eye contact feature, which kind of, if you're not looking directly at the camera, it will correct your eyes to make it look like you're looking at the camera. And then there is Synthesia. It's an AI tool for video editing that generates AI-made avatars. So it has a 4.7 scoring by G2 and then 3.4 on Product Hunt. Synthesia is becoming really well known in the platform for AI video generating space because it gives you the ability to create educational, instructional videos without actually having to hire actual actors. So the AI generated avatars are quite lifelike, and the tool is ideal and mainly targeted for businesses that want to create training videos like FAQs, tutorials, etc. Some of the key features is that, once again, it creates dynamic AI generated avatars, and it is a bit pricey, but you can opt in to get a custom AI avatar that's based on yourself or someone you know. So that's really quite interesting. However, don't be afraid, consent is required. It also supports 120 plus different languages with different accents. You can add micro gestures to make the AI avatar more lifelike. And it also does offer voice cloning and text-to-speech functionality as well. Then the next on the list is Runway, which is a really cool AI video creation tool that I've kind of recently stumbled upon. It's a generative AI tool that really does it all for video. And it might be what we might see in the future when it comes to video creation. So from text to video, which is a Gen 2 model, or video to video, which is a Gen 1 model, they have a wide range of AI magic tools, as they call it, that allows users to generate so many cool things. It's still a project in progress with limited capabilities for revision, but it is worth mentioning in this video because it allows users to really be creative and create videos from scratch through using generative AI. So the key features is obviously to be able to generate video from text, images, and even other videos. And then you can also modify images with a text prompt or expand it further. You can remove background images on a video by masking the object. So these are really cool features to have. So you might ask yourself, what can I do with all of these AI video tools? Well, for one, AI video tools are useful because they can increase your efficiency when it comes to repurposing long-form content. You can also improve your workflow through easy editing, like transcript editing, instead of spending so many hours stuck to the timeline. You can also add subtitles to your shorts or videos in an instant. You can improve the video quality, audio quality, eye contact quality, everything. You can also generate AI-generated avatars that speak on your behalf as well. So all of these tools are super fantastic. We can definitely see how the future is going to turn out to be. A little bit eerie, but still cool nonetheless. If you did find any of these tools helpful, I would really appreciate a huge thumbs up to this video. And make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can continue to navigate this digital ocean of AI together.